Please spell bunny. Please spell God. Please spell bar. Please spell map.
And it's my homemade cheese fondue.
Please spell ball.
My bad. Bro, homemade cheese fondue, guys.
Dad.
I can't type.
Dad.
Bro, I can't type. Oh my
Please spell
gosh.
egg.
This might be rage bait, bro. I'm gonna put something on the screen that you guys can watch. I'm gonna edit this video. I'm gonna put something on the screen so you can watch something on YouTube. Yeah. Cause I know you're bored.
Please spell box.
I know these brochachos are bored. Brochacho. Sun Yin Ring. Sun. You can just turn on voice chat, right? Shift dog.
Please spell Gosling. Please spell
duh. It's keyboard and mouse, not keyboard. Duh. That's why I put it as my settings.
Please spell
my mouse pad is gold. It's actually gold. Good boy.
Please spell Drew. Please spell best. Please spell comic. Please spell tasty.
Words, let it hurt. 6, 7.
Please spell convert.
Pause for words, let it hurt.
Please spell thread. Please spell display. Please spell brightness.
I'm gonna put on slime. Put on like a slime background thing.
Salvation.
Yo, 8th grade? Is that 8th grade? Oh, 9th grade. That's high school.
Comportment. Please spell. Congratulations. Please spell. Recognition. Please spell. Amelioration.
Oh. Amelioration, what? Bro, this game is just crazy.
I'm just say the rest of that right now. I'm gonna just say that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say the rest of that right now.
King Von was a lot scarier than you previously thought. First off, at just 16 years old, he robbed someone for their car at gunpoint. Spent about
Please spell.
on his 18th birthday.
Spa.
Witnessed his best friend getting killed by a rival gang, which turned him into. He started looking
Please
for
spell.
retaliation.
She.
Dang. He slimed out 5 people.
Please spell. Mom. Please spell. Egg. Please spell. Daisy. Please spell. Fix. Please spell. Spa. Please spell. Boy. Please spell. Rob. Please spell.
Bro, this must be rage bait, bro, cause like, oh,
Bunny.
oh gosh, I'm ending the video. I'm gonna do Animal Hospital next.